Dry cleaning may not be the most glamorous chore, but the benefits of doing so are entirely worth it. Considering the process of cleaning them is not too tedious, you should try to make it a part of your weekly routine. The most obvious benefit of cleaning your drains regularly is seeing a reduction in the number of times your pipes become clogged or blocked. While you are probably familiar with pipe blockages causing a clogged toilet or reduced water pressure in the shower, a more severe clog can cause serious damage to your drainage system. Failing to clean your pipes can allow solid matter to accumulate in your pipes, which could end up causing a pipe bursting or a blocked sewer line, both of which are expensive problems to fix. If you have ever noticed your sink not draining properly and those leaving behind yucky remnants of food, you have probably had the displeasure of smelling the odors that come with it. When your drains remain unclean for an extended period of time, unwanted waste can accumulate and sit in your pipes. The odors from this unwanted waste will inevitably creep up your drains and into your home. Be sure to clean your drains on a weekly basis to ensure your home doesn't end up stinking. As mentioned previously, clogged or blocked pipes can lead to serious damage being done to your drainage system. If you have experienced this in the past, then you are well aware of how costly this damage can be to repair. As opposed to spending the money needed to repair your faulty pipes, spend your money on the necessary cleaning supplies needed to reduce clot in your drains. Baking soda and vinegar are much less expensive than paying a professional to restore your broken pipes. After cleaning your drains on a regular basis, you will surely see an increase in level of the cleanliness in your home. We have made it clear that clogged pipes can cause foul odors to seep their way into your home. Cleaning your drains will rid your pipes of all things filthy, leaving your home smelling like it should. The benefits of cleaning your pipes are not limited to just the inside of your home. Ensuring your drains remain unclogged will help you avoid standing water accumulating in your lawn. Once this occurs, righting this wrong can cost you precious time and money, so be sure to clean your pipes to keep your drainage system running smoothly. Speaking of standing water in your yard, cleaning your pipes regularly will ensure that your home is not at risk for major sewage problems down the road. Failing to clean your pipes can actually lead to major flooding in parts of your home, as well as leaving your home without running water. Simply clean your drains regularly to avoid dealing with such a disaster. Thanks for watching. Until next time.